Here's another piece of paraphernalia I've been putting together. Like I said, nothing means to mean anything other than the reality you can fit forward. Going to fit a pen into both sides, and I turn. When I turn to the right, this wheel will turn to the right. When I turn to the right, okay, this will turn this way, and this one will turn this way. So follow that again. I turn to the right, turning clockwise. And as I'm turning to the right clockwise, this one seems to be turning counterclockwise, clockwise, clockwise, Is this counterclockwise? I'm going backwards. Look, I'm going backwards. But here I'm going forward. Same ocean, all running to the cycle underneath the ocean. So if the moon is controlling the oceans, and this is the under the ocean, this is going to one way, right? Is this clockwise? And this is the continuation of clockwise, which becomes counterclockwise. Let me know what you think. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Two different number boards. This one's a single zero. This one's a double zero. Bottom part of numbers, base of the pyramid. Top part of numbers, each running in sections. When you come to the fourth section, you turn one, second side, third side, and in the fourth side, it repeats itself. And here's my antenna. What does it mean? I don't know. But we're going to leave it at that, because I'm quite sure if a human being can think of something, it must have either a reality in singular form, meaning to that one human, or in an alternate form that it could mean nothing to the one human, but something to some others that understand and can perceive what this can do, branching up to the silver antenna. Here comes one image. And look, following that same image, because you're looking at my computer screen. I call that the black cat effect. And you look straight into the computer with the camera, and you get some sort of doorway. That's all.